Region transfers on DoorDash allow you to move your active zone to a new market, helping you optimize earnings or accommodate relocation. DoorDash has enhanced its in app functionality, making transfers more accessible through improved settings and real time market data. You can see available markets on the map interface. Red zones indicate where you can dash immediately, while other areas may require scheduling or transfers. To be eligible for transfers, you must maintain good account standing. This means keeping a completion rate above 80% and a customer rating exceeding 4.2. Transfer requests take between 1 to 7 business days to process, depending on demand in your target market. You may also need to complete background check re-verification in the new market. Understanding the difference between zones and markets is crucial. Markets are large geographic areas like cities, while zones are smaller subdivisions within those markets. Each market has saturation limits based on order volume and the existing number of dashers. This means popular markets may have waiting periods for transfers due to high demand. To request a zone transfer in DoorDash, you have several options available. The primary method is through the Dasher app settings, where you can find the transfer option. If the in-app method fails, you can submit a support ticket for assistance. DoorDash also offers a new temporary access feature that allows short-term dashing in nearby markets without requiring a permanent transfer. Once your transfer is approved, the scheduling system integrates immediately, allowing you to view available time slots in your new region. However, established dashers typically receive scheduling priority over new transfers. There are 3 main scheduling types available. Early access scheduling is for top dashers and high-performing drivers. Standard scheduling opens 6 days in advance at 3 p.m. local time. And Dash Now provides real-time availability based on current demand. Before requesting a transfer, research your target market thoroughly using earnings tracking websites and Dasher forums to evaluate potential earnings. This helps you make informed decisions about which markets offer the best opportunities. For optimal approval speed, submit transfer requests during slower periods. Tuesdays through Thursdays and non-holiday weeks typically see faster processing times. This strategic timing can significantly improve your chances of quick approval.